Assalamu alaikum ninjas and welcome back, you Ninja Muhammad. Check it out what I'm riding today, DYU 750 King. That's insane, man. Finally reviewing this brand. I love it, man. I love it. Anyway, let's begin with this review. You're gonna find everything that you need to know about this bike in one single review. Of course, about the battery, about the speed, about the construction, about the pros and the cons, and of course I would advise you to use my discount coupon, which is $100 off of the regular price. You'd be stupid if you don't use this discount code, man, isn't it? Anyway, let's begin and enjoy.
Let me introduce you to a two-wheeled marvel that's about to transform your ride into a thrilling journey. So rev up your excitement because the King 750 is about to redefine your ride. Experience power, precision, and pure acceleration as you conquer city streets and challenging terrains. From its impressive power delivery to its responsive throttle and smooth handling, this e-bike stands true to its promise of an electrifying ride. The motor's torque effortlessly conquers uphill landscapes, catering to riders of different weights and skills. The cityscape is your playground, and the King 750 is your ultimate companion. 750 has an aluminum frame with a black body, making the bike stylish. One reason to buy the DYU e-bike is its stylish body and robust frame. The rail is protected by guard. KMCZ chain and front crack is with 46 teeth. This bike is also very heavy, 31 kilos, so it might be too much for some riders. To be honest guys, it's a fat tire bike, guys, with impressive battery size. I think it's a normal size. Anyway, I was really shocked that it can go almost 30 degrees steep incline. Company advertised 15 degrees max, but I got double of that with no hustle. The center of gravity remains extremely low due to the battery position, making it perfect for all off-road riders. All the narrow handlebars making the e-bike perfect for maneuvering when there is less space on the road. It helps you control the bike more easily. There are of course also independent button pads, a half grip twist throttle, and a shifter on each side. There are also 3 different riding modes along with the 3 speed assisting levels. DYU King has an impressive big display joint into the handlebar of the bike. All the essentials of the bike are on in display, including the battery, driving conditions, speed level, battery level, distance covered, and any other fault in the bike. For lighting your path at the night, you have one small light on the front. Wished it was stronger though. Customize your ride to perfection with the King 750's adjustable front suspension and lockout switch. Whether you are conquering trails of mountains or venturing through snowy paths, this e-bike adapts to your preferred suspension setup. Not to forget to mention very comfortable wide seat that also has shock absorbers. It's about control, comfort, and making every ride uniquely yours. Power and longevity meet in the King 750's heart. Its LG powered internal battery packed with 20 amp hours and operating at 48 volts. This battery translates to an astonishing 85 km of full assist range or 130 km range using pass 1 pedal assistant mode. Very impressive indeed for such a heavy bike, guys. LG cells bring reliability and endurance to the forefront. It takes around 7 hours to fully charge it. The built-in battery management system BMS ensures efficient charging and vigilant battery health monitoring. And the best part, the removable design lets you charge and replace without the hassle of dragging your bike around. Buckle up for hard racing acceleration and breathtaking top speeds. The King 750 is powered by a dual hub motor boasting 48 volts and 750 watts. Max 900 watts, guys, of sheer power. Super powerful bike with 75 Newton meters of torque at your disposal. Uphill climbs and obstacles become mere challenges that you conquer with ease. Level 1 is 25 km per hour. Level 2 basically is 35, and level 3 is 45 max kilometers per hour. Very impressive for a fat tire bike, guys.
Okay, let's now test the sound test, the noise test. I'm gonna do it the maximum. Let's go. Good.
Embrace all terrains with the King 750's 26-inch by 4.0 wide all-terrain fat tires. These tires provide unbeatable traction whether you are cruising on asphalt or conquering rough trails. Shimano dual hydraulic disc brakes 180mm ensure reliable stopping power, guaranteeing your safety even at high speeds. And can I guarantee you guys, very impressive brake system, guys. Love it. Super powerful and super fast, super reliable. Every masterpiece has its quirks, and the King 750 is no exception. While the front light could use a bit more lemons for night rides, the gear range is limited to a 7-speed system, which might leave a few riders wishing for more options on steep inclines. Additionally, some riders might find the handlebar design slightly narrow for optimal comfort. I personally find it normal size. What bothers me the most is removing the battery can get some very tricky sometimes, man, and battery could drop from your hands while removing it or putting it back again. Not enough of space to make the removal easy. So I hope in the future upgrades, future models, they can make this better, guys. That's it. In summary, the DYU King 750 electric bike stands as a testament to our power, precision, and outstanding performance. With its robust motor, solid construction, and exceptional handling, it delivers an electrifying ride like no other. The high-quality LG battery and its removable design ensure extended journeys and lasting durability. While minor cons exist, they are mere blips in the grand scheme of this e-bike brilliance. Fat tires elevate your ride, making it smoother and more enjoyable than ever before. Without a doubt, with my full heart, I recommend the King 750 for your next ride. Thank you for joining me on this e-journey today. If you find this information inspiring and informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Utopia for more in-depth reviews, thrilling adventures, and groundbreaking tech unveilings. Stay tech relaxed, try to be a good human being, and see you till our next e-ride episode. مع السلامة.